Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Run a quick site speed and mobile check because slow pages kill visits. Once fixed, install analytics and define 3 measurable goals so you know what success looks like. Then map content clusters against search intent and pick the highest impact keywords. Make sure to prioritize pages that can move the needle fast and schedule your first content and technical fixes within 7 days to build momentum. You now execute the complex middle steps. Create 2 pillar posts and multiple supporting articles that interlink. This structure boosts relevance and crawl depth. Once done, optimize every page's title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and ad schema where helpful to improve click-throughs. Simultaneously run targeted promotion, an email blast, social push, and a small paid campaign to seed initial traffic. Make sure to monitor engagement metrics daily and iterate headlines or placements if you finish by consolidating wins and addressing gaps. Review analytics weekly and reinvest in the top 20% of content that drives visits. Then resolve technical drop issues, check redirects, improve core web vitals, and fix mobile layout problems so visitors stay. After stabilization, scale outreach through guest contributions and partnerships while repurposing high-performing assets for new channels. If traffic stalls, troubleshoot by isolating recent changes, running /B tests, and reverting the latest site modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.